Hey there, friend. You know, I've realized how integral GitHub is for IT professionals, not just for coding but for contributing and becoming part of something bigger at companies like Microsoft. So, I've put together a simple but effective guide on strategies for contributing to Microsoft's open source projects on GitHub for our peers out there. First, let me walk you through what makes this endeavor so appealing and how to tackle it successfully. You see, contributing to the open source projects hosted on GitHub really puts your skills and impact right at the heart of a vibrant tech community. It's a win-win, really. Imagine that you are not only expanding your coding capabilities, but also getting your name out there in a big way. And with Microsoft, a firm with so many active and impactful projects on GitHub, we are talking true exposure and opportunities. So, let's get into a step-by-step guide, alright? Firstly, dive deep into the project's repository on GitHub, understand what they've got going on, the workflows, and the culture. That's step 1. You'll become part of the ecosystem in the best way possible. Step 2 now, we want to appreciate the business angle of contributing. The big reason you do this is strategic importance, right? It's not just about writing code. It's about the company seeing you as a valuable asset who can potentially shape products and services on a global scale. That's the true essence of contributing to open source projects from a career perspective. Nowadays, you could find yourself influencing products that millions depend on for their daily tasks, which is pretty cool. Alright, moving on to step 3. I'm going to bring out the technical nerd in me and take us through the nitty-gritty of real-world deployment designs, especially touching on Microsoft Azure's reference architecture. That way, we dive into how your contribution stands a chance to resonate with Microsoft's tech stack directly. It's about the right code, tailored for deployment in complex but common systems. You are not just writing code anymore, you are engineering solutions. Next is making sure you don't just copy-paste but understand what the project is actually building towards. You'll find that most of Microsoft's projects on GitHub are built with future integration in mind, which is fantastic for our ecosystem, and your contribution will surely complement that vision. Also, let's not forget about the community. I'll teach you how to tap into the community for feedback, advice, and mentorship. Microsoft's projects are alive with seasoned professionals looking out for green and maturing contributors like us, and it's crucial to know you are not alone. But here's where it gets hands-on. Start making your code contributions. I'll guide you through forking the repository, writing your code changes, then creating pull requests. Through this guide, you are not only contributing code, you are participating in a larger conversation about tech and its direction. Don't just stop there. After you make your contribution, engage with the reviews you get. It's essential to understand where you need to improve and where you can further polish the code. Remember, a community's feedback can improve your skills and the quality of your contribution. Now, it's not just about the code. We also have to talk about the etiquette of contributing, like commenting, responding, respecting the code you encounter, and navigating the politics of the GitHub environment. After all, you want to contribute in a manner that positively impacts the community and yourself. In the end, remember that contributing to open source projects is not a sprint but a marathon. It requires persistent learning, adaptability, and patience. The goal is to make it feel like a natural part of your professional life, where your passion for tech can genuinely come to the forefront. Well, that was quite a deep dive into the strategies needed to successfully engage with Microsoft's open source projects, right? Always remember, though, the world of open source is built on trust, reputation, and community. So, contribute with authenticity. Your contributions have the potential to be recognized by not just Microsoft but by the global tech community. So, why are you listening? I believe in making a difference, and I'm going to channel all this passion into my contributions, starting right here on GitHub with Microsoft projects. The more you read and understand Microsoft's approach to open source, the more you can contribute effectively. Now, the takeaway is simple. Contributing to Microsoft's open source projects on GitHub is about so much more than just submitting pull requests. It's understanding the strategic importance, appreciating the business context, diving deep into the technical architecture, especially Azure, seeking guidance, and fostering a strong community interaction. That's how you make an impactful and meaningful contribution. But don't just take my word for it. I encourage you to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Come, let's not just watch from the sidelines, but be active players on the field of open source. I'll be there, ready to explore, ready to understand, and ready to share. Are you in? Let's contribute together. Okay, let's be done with that for now. You've got the knowledge, now grab your IDs, forks, and pull requests. Let's go make some magic happen with GitHub and open source projects.